Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Last week in the last class, we are discussed about plateaus of India, class 4. In the first part, we have discussed what we have discussed there: the Peninsular Plateau. Next one, Central Highlands, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau. These are all we are discussed in the last class. Today we are going to discuss about how is the life in the Peninsular Plateau. How is the life in the Peninsular Plateau? This plateau covers a number of South Indian states. The region is famous for its unique lifestyle and rich culture. So, give me one or two examples. What are the South Indian states like Telangana, Andhra, Tamil Nadu? These are all are the South Indian states. So, next one, the variation of the Peninsular Plateau can be divided into regional divisions. The northwestern part, the northeastern part, the central part, the southern part. These are all the 4 divisions. First one we have discussed about the northwestern part. The soil and the rocks in this region are of volcanic origin. So Maharashtra is the main state in this region. These volcanic origin there, the state of Maharashtra is there. So next one, food. Which type of food is take the people who are belongs to in this area? The people of this region mostly eat rice, fish, pulses and vegetables. Next one, which type of dress they have to wear? So traditional people in Maharashtra wear dhoti, shirt and red turban. Next, occupation. Which type of occupation they have to do? Most of the people in this region are engaged in farming. They mostly grow crops like cotton, sugarcane and groundnuts. So next one, what are the festivals they have to celebrate? Here Ganesh Chaturthi. See here this picture, see. So Vinayak Chaviti, the festival, it is celebrated here in a grand way here. People here are very fond of music and drama. Folklore in Maharashtra is known as Tamasha. Okay, the next one, the northeastern part. This part of Peninsular Plateau includes the Chhattisgarh and part of Odisha, West Bengal and Jharkhand. These are all the states are in this area. Occupation here. The region is a fertile basin. What is meaning of fertile? Fertile means the land which is for, it is suitable for agriculture. Of river Mahanadi, thus farming is the main occupation. Here is the farming is the main occupation, means Mukhya Vrutti. It is called the rice bowl of India because rice grows in plenty here. More rice here grown here. Odisha is famous for its textile, weaving and silver work. Here these are all the works: textile work, weaving and silver, means vendi. Rice and jute are the main crops of West Bengal. Jharkhand is rich in minerals like coal, iron ore and manganese. Here see one picture is there. This is the coal mines, means Boggu Ganalu, coal mines of Ranchi in Jharkhand. Next, which type of food the people here to eat? People of this region mostly eat rice, pulses and vegetables. Now, which type of dress they have to wear? Dhoti kurta is the common dress for men. Women wear saris. These are all the occupation, food, dress we have to discuss in the northwestern part. Next we are going to discuss in the central part. The central part of peninsular plateau includes the state of Madhya Pradesh. The state of Madhya Pradesh is in the central part. It is often called the heart of India because of the central part. No, means that is the heart of India. Madhya Pradesh is known for its forest reserves. Many forests are there here. The climate of this region is hot throughout the year. Entire the year from January to December, the climate is very hot in this region. Gond tribes are indigenous people because indigenous means they are belongs to own country, స్వదేశానికి సంబంధించిన వాళ్ళు, in the own place, are occupied a major part of forest land of central India. This area they have to live. Occupation, which type of farming is the main occupation. So agriculture here doing. Some people also work in mines, gold mines, coal mines, some area they have to doing. A large number of people are engaged in other occupation, and some people also doing in some other occupation. The diamond mines, diamond mines at Panna are well known here. The new diamond field of Bundelkhand at Bandar is also very promising. Which type of food they have to eat? The main food of the people is wheat, rice, pulses and vegetables. These are all they have to eat. Which type of dress they have to wear? Men wear dhoti and shirt, whereas women wear saris and blouses. These are all the northwestern part, the northeastern part, the central part. These are the parts. Next one I have discussed about the southern part. The southern part of the peninsular plateau consists of states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. The chief languages here speaking the people Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. Food, which type of food they have to eat? People of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are fond of spicy diet. Like masala podi, spicy means. Pickles and chutney are an essential part of their diet. Rice, fish, idli, dosa, sambar and rasam are the main dishes of Kerala. So next in Karnataka, food idli, vada, ragi and fish are the popular dishes of Karnataka. Rice, appam, uttappam, fish, chettinad chicken are some of the popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. Next, dress. Men generally wear dhoti kurta and anga vastra, whereas women wear saris and blouses. Occupation, the people in Kerala are farmers or fishermen. Rice is the main food crop of the state. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of tobacco in India. So tobacco means pogaku. In Karnataka, farmers also grow sugarcane, ragi, cotton, oil seeds and groundnut. Agriculture is the main occupation here. And also rice, maize, cotton, pulses, coffee, rubber and cardamom. It is one of the spice or some of the important crops of in this region. Then festivals. People of Peninsular Plateau are fond of music. Which type of festivals they have to do? Kuchipudi is the famous dance style of Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi is one of the important festival celebrated here. Next one, the important festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. So Pongal is, we are calling in our state Sankranti. It is harvest festival, means Kota Pandaga. Onam is important festival in Kerala. So in Karnataka, Dasara festival they are doing in a grand way. Yakshagana is the local dance of the state. Next one, Bharatanatyam is famous dance style of Tamil Nadu. Next, what is the importance of plateaus? The soil of western part of peninsular plateau is mostly black and is suitable for growing cotton and sugarcane. So due to deforestation means cutting the trees in the forest. and heavy rainfall and rich black soil means mud, is turning to red soil. Due to deforestation, this soil is turning to red. So only pulses and maize are grown here. The plateau is rich in mineral deposits, thus mining is a major activity. The western Ghats and the central hills of the plateau have thick forest here. They provide valuable forest products like wood, medicinal herbs, gum, and raisins. Raisins means dried grape. Raisin means dried grapes. Next, these are all the famous crops here. Next one, crops, coffee, tea, pepper, rubber, these are all. Many factories have been set up in the region because of the mineral deposits found here. So some mineral deposits are found here. Like what are there? Iron ore, gold, coal, copper, and mica. A large supply of gold comes from the Kolar gold mines. Kolar gold mines నుంచి సో బంగారం వస్తుంది ఆఫ్ కర్ణాటక. హైదరాబాద్, నాగపూర్, భోపాల్, ఇండోర్, బెంగళూరు and Mysore are the important cities in this region. I hope you understand. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.